Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check that the card was activated at purchase and that Play Store country matches the card. Sign into the exact Google account you intend to use because once you redeem, the balance ties to that account. Once done, open Play Store, tap Profile, then Payments and Subscriptions to view methods. Make sure you note any previous partial redemptions or expiration dates. These details change how the balance applies and speed up the next steps. Next, redeem carefully. Type the code exactly because characters like O versus 0 or I versus 1 cause failures. You can redeem via the Play Store app or on the web. If one method fails, try the other. If you see errors, clear the Play Store cache and data, update the app, then restart the device and try again. If problems persist, attempt redemption from a different device or network. This isolates device or regional issues and tells you whether the code itself is the culprit. Finally, escalate smartly. If the card shows invalid or already redeemed, contact the retailer first and request proof of activation or a replacement. If that fails, reach Google Play Support and provide the purchase receipt, card serial number, and a log of redemption attempts. These details speed verification. If funds were charged incorrectly, ask Google for a refund or credit reversal. Troubleshooting tip: if you get a region error, temporarily change your Play country, only after understanding implications for subscriptions and payment methods.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.